Mukaana ni uheanitwo na kuma umuthi ahuthiri a barabara megubatarania guikara mari maitho amu urio kunyitikana akiagarara watho egukua mutharaba wake. Akiaria hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro, munene wa borithi guku bururi-ini Hilary Mutyambai augite athii mabatie kuigiririka. Umwe wa maundu maria megukorwo makirora ni ngari iria irakua andu gukira githimi, akiuga matigukorwo na tha kuri athii aria megukorwo mari ajoherera.
If you are found in our roadblocks as an excess passenger in a matatu or any PSV vehicle, will remove you out of that vehicle. Does not matter at what point, and the vehicle will continue.
Oho akiruta mukana wa gukanja marua ma ukui kuri matereba na sako iria ikunyitikana ikiagarara watho.
Any of a speeding vehicle, regardless PSV or private vehicle, will also take action. If it is a company, a PSV vehicle or the whole company will suspend the licenses.
Uge oyo ukinyitwo baru ni murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata ukui barabara-ini George Jao, uria uhinyiriirie ati ruhonge ruru rugukorwo ruri maitho guothe bururi-ini gutigirira mawatho ni marumirirwo, kuona mitino miingi barabara-ini icungagiririo ni kwaga wigiririki.
Pedestrians. 38% of the fatalities recorded are pedestrians. This is very unacceptable because the vulnerable users that are being knocked down either by hit and run or while crossing roads. We are working very closely with the Inspector General to ensure that all the roads are being monitored to ensure that people use the designated crossing points and the zebra crossings and the footbridges.
Hamwe na maundu ngurani maria ruhonge ruru rugukorwo rukirora ni matereba aria matari na marua ma ukui, ngari iria ithukitie ithimi cia thibidi, aria marakua gukira githimi, ngari iria itari na mecibi hamwe na mangi. Oho akihinyiriria ati gutire ngari igwitikirio gutuma thabari nja ya kuria sako ciayo ciandikithitio. Maya mokite oriri mundu mwe akuite nao angi kugurara thutha wa mutino wa barabara urio hanikire itura-ini ria Toto Estate barabara-ini ya Narok guthie Bomet, ugikuruhania bathi ya kambuni ya Transline na ngari ya mundu kiumbe.
Nikasikia tu kitu anamechea wow. Tukaamuka sasa kuangalia, tukasikia wanapika nduru kwa hii karibu.
Kurerikana dereva wa ngari nini muthemba wa Toyota Saloon auma mureu uduria ucungiriirie mutino uyu. Aria magurarire mararigitirwo thibitari-ini nene ya Narok. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.